I could imagine how many more makeup products I could get, plus possibly putting gas in my tank, plus probably going out to eat. Yeah. All right, well, hi, I'm Karen. In this video today, I wanted to share something that I noticed yesterday. Where is this palette at? Yesterday, I was watching this Jackie Aina video of, what is it? It's the Natasha Denona palette. And I'm looking at it and staring at the color scheme, and I'm like, hold up, wait a minute. Let me put my 2 cents in it. And I noticed something. I felt like a lot of the colors looked very, very similar to this. And I'm gonna show the picture right here so you guys can have a comparison. But I felt like a lot of the shades, like all these green shades and possibly these two on the end, looked a whole lot like it. And I went online, went on YouTube to see if anybody had posted this up as a dupe, and I had not seen it. So I was like, let me jump up and do this video now. I'm actually gonna do the eye look that I saw her do in her video. I'm gonna test out. I wanna see if I can use similar colors to what she used, and maybe y'all can tell me, hey, what do y'all think? All right, so let's go ahead and jump into this video. So I'm gonna try to see if I can recreate. Granted, I think this base is a bit bright, so it's probably gonna make that mustard pop out more than it should. But nonetheless, let's see about recreating this look. Ooh, do I want to do this? This might take some time. This is not what I was planning on doing today, but I guess we are. The only thing I would say this palette is probably missing is more light gold colors and the brown, possibly. But for the most part, it has a lot of these colors, and minus that pretty shimmery teal color. But so I'm gonna go in with this color first. It's a really pretty color though. Yeah, and I saw her using this color. I was like, oh, that reminded me of how it was performing. I was like, hold up. Like I said, it's just missing a few shades, but if you don't want to spend that $129, I'm just saying you can pick up that teal shade if that's how you feel. All right, so yeah, I think I did that for the most part. It's interesting watching other people and how they apply makeup, and of course wanting to recreate it. All right, I think I got the shape of the eye down pat. Okay, she's definitely going in with that shimmery green teal color. So, but I'm gonna go in with this one. It's not shimmery, it's matte. But let's see. Dare we try to mix colors? Let's see what happens. Hey, you don't know unless you do it. I'm mixing the green with the shimmery blue color. Oh, what's she putting it at?
This color next, so we're gonna pop that. Ooh. You know, these deep matte teals are not easy.
Did she say matte teal?
Ooh, this is definitely.
Hold up, she said it was matte. Why it looks shimmery? I don't know. Well, either way, it looked like a shimmer color to me, but maybe I was wrong. Ooh, look at that. We made teal, shawty. We made something. Yes. That's that Georgia down south. Bear with me. Wow. Well, now y'all know how to do it. Taking it back to kindergarten. Don't y'all love it when you watch YouTube and you're like, hold on, why did you get there? Hold on. But I know, I can imagine how you got there, but hold on. Wow, okay. Well, this will definitely push me outside of my comfy zones. This is actually pretty nice color. That's definitely making it more teal, I'll say that. This is cool, wow. I am so like happy I decided to do this because I was about to pick up another palette. Okay, I think that's enough winging. All right, anyway, moving on.
Oh, I don't know anymore. Okay, I'm gonna go back and start putting that back into my crease.
All right, she went back to the mustard.
Oh, look at this. This color right here.
I should have went in with a smaller. Dang, I should have went in with a smaller brush. Hold on. I know, right? All right, now we can blend this just a little bit. All right, now let's blend over it. Smaller brush, folks. I know, right?
Look at this. This color right here.
So that color she's showing definitely reminds me of this one right here. It's like this greenish gold color. So this brush came with it. I'm gonna be using this applicator end to use this. Let's look at this. Look, how does she apply it on? All right, I feel like there's two options you could go with here. You can either go with this color here, or you can mix these two shimmers here to kind of achieve that look. I'm gonna start with this color first. Let's see what it looks like. I don't think it's, okay, yeah, let's just roll with it. I'm trying to see how she did that. It's a very, very pretty shade. Why not? I think I really like this color. Like I said, you could go the other route if you wanted to give it more of a gold pop. Yeah, I'm gonna try just a little bit of this.
Very pretty.
Gold.
And she is gorgeous. Yes, sis, get your coins. We stand. But however, and such as, I think I'm gonna actually put this on top of it, just in the center.
Hold on, which color? There, now we got that gold green.
I just need prayer.
And then that color definitely, the one she popped in the center, definitely looks like this one. That's funny. I'm telling you, like, here I am using my hands. Oh, yeah, I know I usually don't even like to use my hands, but may I have been wrong this whole time? That is just so funny. Like, if you don't test out things in life, like, you're never gonna know, you know what I mean? This color that we just got done using in the center. Let's go back over to this green, because I feel like, you know, we could perfect this just a little bit more. Please don't forget, at no point is this a replacement for the formula for Natasha Denona. Just in case, you know, some of y'all own the palette and, you know, feel some kind of way, I get it. But color story, layout type situation, I feel like there's only a few shades in here that's missing, just color story wise. So bear with me.
Applying a big black liner now.
All right, she put on a black liner, and let's see here. I'm gonna try something different that I haven't tried. How long did she go with this one?
I'm gonna use Callisto Lash.
Very freaking long. All right, I'm not trying to go that long. And the reason why is because I'm definitely not putting on lashes for this look. Well, let me not speak yet. I'm using the BH Cosmetics liquid eyeliner in Black Noir. I've never used it before, and I found it the other day, and I was like, why not? And I have no idea how long this been sitting in there. So it didn't survive, but I'm going to go in with the NYC eyeliner. I was trying not to get any of this stuff on my lashes, because honestly, I don't like it when it gets on my lashes and then I can't get my mascara through. Like, for me, that's quite annoying. That's why I was trying to avoid. I don't know if I mentioned, that's from NYC. I don't even know they even sell that in store anymore.
Aww, somebody said that you're actually the sweetest and most king of all beauty gurus treated. But you know, girl, whilst also learning, growing, and just trying to be a better person. Now we gonna go to this color here. She's cute.
All right, so the color she used definitely looked like it was probably more so a mix of these two. So I'm gonna mix these two and put it on the lower lash line.
Ooh, I feel like she's kind of slept on. I'm gonna put her right on the outer, inner, the outer lower lash line.
So yeah, so I'm gonna mix these two colors because, you know, that's how we rolling. I'm gonna use a little bit more dark. Let's put a little green. Bam. When you are trying to mix colors to make it work. You know what? Maybe I should have mixed this and whatever. We're here now. Yep, that's what I should have done. Here we go. Now that's more muted. And then she took what color? She definitely used this color right here.
Right on the inner lower lash line.
Got you, girl.
Oh, I look like a beautiful flower, like a day.
Oh gosh, you're scaring me, girl. What? Here's to stepping outside your comfort zone. Let's bring that blue back in, or that green, whatever. Just in a little bit. There we go. Thank you very much. Bambity Rosa. And let's.
Okay, you know what? She's kind of popping. I'm also gonna pop her in the inner corner.
Not taking no chances. gonna be putting the same color. And don't worry, we're gonna clean this all up. All right, and let me do my face and I'll be right back. Everybody know that theme song? Woo! Anyway, I feel like I definitely have to pay attention more when I'm looking at the color story of these palettes. I mean, just think about it. If you took the time to really pay attention, you would probably see that same color story in multiple palettes that you own, you know, whether it's like half the palette or, you know, all of it. So like I said, I mean, I was pretty much able to mix these colors up to achieve, you know, close to similar, I mean, pretty darn close, if I may say, as far as the look goes. Let me know what you think. Do you think I was able to still kind of achieve some of those colors? And if you think I did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you think I did, make sure to comment down below. Anyway, thanks so much for watching and for joining me here on this end of YouTube. And I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.